Hey everyone, and welcome back to Matin's kitchen. Today we're baking up a homemade classic chewy pretzels. So get ready to roll up your sleeves and let's begin a delightful journey of mixing, shaping and baking. These pretzels aren't just a snack, they're a warm and chewy hug for your taste buds. So stick around as we explore the simplicity and deliciousness of making our own chewy pretzels right at home. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Begin by adding water to the mixing bowl, followed by yeast, salt, malt syrup, and the flour. Use the hook attachment to bring the ingredients together into a unified dough. Knead the dough for approximately 5 minutes at speed 2. Just before shaping the pretzels, take a moment to prepare the batter. Add 40 grams of baking soda to 1.5 liters of water. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat. Ensure that you have a hot but not actively boiling water bath ready. After 5 minutes of kneading, we'll proceed to directly divide the dough. Yes, there's no rising process involved in this recipe. It's as easy as that. Simply knead the dough, divide, shape, bat, and bake. Isn't it awesome? Yes, it truly is. Let's divide the dough into 8 portions, aiming for each pretzel to weigh around 134 grams. Take one piece and roll it into a 60 cm long rope. The moment has arrived and I'm so excited to create the first one. As you can see, shaping a pretzel is as easy as can be. Now let me walk you through the details. Lift both ends to create a U shape. Then cross the ends over each other, forming a twist. Twist one more time, bringing the twisted ends down and pressing them onto the bottom of the U to shape the classic pretzels. Place them in the hot water bath for approximately 45 seconds. Place them on a baking tray lined with parchment paper and then brush them with some of the bath water to help the salt stick. Then sprinkle with salt. Score them in a few places and bake in a preheated oven at 200 Celsius for about 25 minutes. I hope you enjoyed this delicious chewy pretzel video, guys, and I see you next time.